Good morning friends, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn about the sedimentary rock. In previous video we already have seen about the igneous rock and its types. So see students, the sedimentary rock, sediment means what? Settled at bottom. So actually here the rock is formed due to the settle at the bottom of the mountain, or the rock particles which settle at the bottom and form a layer of rocks. So this is called sedimentary rock. Now I will show you the picture here. So this is the one picture here you can see. So this is the about the sedimentary rock which is formed at the bottom of the mountain. But how it is formed at the bottom of the mountain? So I will explain to you. See students, when the rains or due to the rivers, the rivers flows from mountains towards the bottom of the mountain. Okay. So at that time the rivers brings the rock particles along with the water from the mountains. At the same time, wind and weather conditions also break down the rock from the mountains. Now, and all these broken pieces of rocks form layers called sedimentary rocks. So this is about the sedimentary rocks. So these layers form sedimentary rock. Again one more thing, the sedimentary rocks are also formed from shells of sea creatures. Whatever the sea creatures are there, those are having the shells, that is the outer covering of their body, and these shells form a thin layer. These shells form a thin layer and they compressed and form a stone that is called sedimentary stone, or we call it the sedimentary rock. The common example of fuel, that is the coal, is a sedimentary rock formed by the deposition of the plants, or buried the plants under the soil for many years, and form a fuel that is called the coal, which is commonly used. Now, what are the different types of sedimentary rocks? So there are four types of, we can see the examples. So there are four examples of sedimentary rock. First one, sandstone. Second one, conglomerate. Third one, shale. And fourth one is the limestone. So these are the four examples of sedimentary rocks which we have to learn deeply now. So we will see the one example, its importance and how they form. So that we are going to learn today. So first we will talk about the sandstone. Okay. So sandstone is the first type of sedimentary rock. It is formed by the particles of sand get together. When the particles of sand get together, comes together, form a soft stone that is called the sandstone. In previous video already I gave two examples about the sandstone. First one is the Jama Masjid and second one is the Red Fort. As you can see the Red Fort here. So this sandstone is very soft in nature and it is not harmed by the sea water or saline water. Saline water, sea water means that is salty water. And due to its nature, this sandstone is used to build the buildings near seashore. Those buildings are near seashore. Always these buildings come in contact with the saline water. So saline water especially damage the buildings which are made by with other rocks. But this sandstone has one ability And what is that? It is not harmed by the sea water. That is why it is used to make the outer surface of the building. Those are near the seashore. Okay. Examples: Red Fort and yes, Jama Masjid. These are the two monuments are made with the help of sandstone. Okay, students. Now next type, that is conglomerate. Conglomerate is also formed when pebbles and gravel. You can underline these, students. Okay, so it is formed when pebbles and gravel get cemented together or joined together. So cement is the substance which joins the pebbles and gravel. So this stone is formed when pebbles and gravel get cemented together, and it is uneven in texture because it has a lot of coarse grains or rough grains. Can you see here this picture? Can you see here? You can see the small pore-like structures. So these are not pore-like structures; these are the structures of grains. Small grains are there, and it is mostly used to make the ornaments. Okay, to make your room beautiful. Next type, that is the shell. Shell is formed when clay and mud particles solidify. Okay, is converted into solid particles. So when this clay and mud solidify, they form shell, and these shells are used in making statues, bricks and cement. Next type, that is the limestone. Okay, can you see here? This is the limestone. The limestone, the tightly packed cells of sea creatures form limestone. Whatever the sea creatures are there, so these sea creatures cells, when tightly packed, form layers, and from these layers form limestone. This limestone is very soft and it is easy to cut into the blocks. We can cut the blocks of these rocks. Okay, and last one, it is used in making cement and glass. Okay, cement, which is used to build the buildings. Okay, which is used in construction also. Okay, that is the powder. So this is about the sedimentary rocks. So how the sedimentary rocks we have seen today, and its 4 examples. First one is sandstone, conglomerate, then shale and limestone. So you can keep these examples in mind and their one use. Now today's new words. So you can see here the new words: deposit, to put something down somewhere; sediments, it is solid material that is deposited. This word you can put. Okay, deposited in a new location. Saline is salty water. Monument means an old building or other place that is historical important. Cement, to join two things together using the cement or the strong sticky substance. So these are the new words. You can write down 2 times and memorize. And then today is your homework. See students, today's homework. Now whatever we have learned today about the sedimentary rocks, on that basis I will ask these questions now. See here, so first question, write a short note on sedimentary rocks. So here you can explain what is meant by sedimentary rock, how it is formed, and its 4 examples. Then next, what are the different types of sedimentary rocks? So here you can write just only examples of sedimentary rocks. Then write one use of limestone. So one here you can write the importance or use. Write one importance of sandstone. So you see students, today we have learned this sedimentary rock. In next video we are going to learn about the next rock, that is the metamorphic rock. I hope you understood today's part. The remaining part we will see in our next video.